CC fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm covering y'all's favorite designer dupe handbags, purses. So if you are new, consider subscribing, becoming my CC fam, and hitting that bell next to it. Make it ding so you won't miss a thing. Alright, let's get into it. If you are thinking Chanel vibes, you would be right. This reminded me so much of the Chanel, the small boyfriend bag. Yes, and even the small one is expensive, okay? So I'm going to put the purse and the price right here. So Forever21 had your girl in mind. It looked bigger on the website, but I'm pretty pleased. It looks so much like it, and I actually like the chain that comes with it. I don't like a handle, so that's why I stuffed it in there, okay? But yes, this is very cute. Vacation bag, maybe. So yes, this was $20 at Forever21, and then they had a sale going on, so I got it for like $15, okay? So this is my first deal. Went in Nordstrom's to see how much it costs, because our Nordstrom's have a Chanel inside of their store. $2 grand, but this dupe was great. I got this at Rainbow, honey. Let me look and see how much it costs. $8 at Rainbow. Rainbow is starting to become the plug, honey. So I saw this. I know Adrienne Bailon liked to carry it on her vacations, but if you're going to a concert or something and all you need is your debit card and cell phone, this would be ideal. So $2 grand compared to $8, okay? My next dupe that I have, I secured at Ross, and when I saw it, I picked it up because I knew it was a dupe for Louis Vuitton. And I put it down, and I was like, no, pick it up. Best $20 I spent. Perfect for vacations. So Louis Vuitton, I'm going to put the purse and the price up right here, right now. And then I have this purse. Perfect. You all know I love a top handle. Don't play with it. I don't really care for straps right now unless it's hardware, okay? But yes, I love a top handle. Put the wrist in and stun on these hoes. Anyway, this is a perfect dupe for Louis Vuitton, and I paid $20 at Ross for this purse. So pretty. I like it. Got the little V and everything, so kudos to Ross. I saw this bag, and I'm like, come through, Fashion Nova. So this bag is at Chanel, and I think it's around $3,000, but you got to incorporate tax and all that good stuff. So this bag I bought for a little over $20. It might have been right at $25. So it is so pretty. Of course, it has a strap and everything in there, but this would be great for a club clutch, but it looks exactly like a Chanel bag. So I'm like, okay, Fashion Nova, I see you. We see each other, okay? So this is a beautiful dupe. Let me look at the chain. And it has hardware. It got the red interior, just like Chanel. Baby. Got the hardware. So, honey, you good to go. I bet if I went to the mall right now, these folks would think this is a Chanel bag. So kudos to Fashion Nova. I got Gucci vibes all day long. So easily Gucci bag, $2,500, if not more. But no, I didn't pay $2,500 for this bag. No, sweetheart. I got this bag for $30, and it is an Aldo bag, because you know Aldo is that girl. She's the plug, okay? So I got this at Ross, though. So typically, I think this was $50 at Aldo, and then they priced it down to $44, and then probably Ross's buyers negotiated, and I paid $29.99 plus tax. So yes, this is a beautiful. I'm gonna wear this summer. This is beautiful. A neutral bag to, you know, calm down your bright looks. This is it. I love it. All right, score another bag at Ross, honey. So when I saw her, we looked eye to eye, and I put her in my cart. Okay, for sure. Definitely, just off rip, I knew it was like a Tory Burch dupe. Okay, so Tory Burch has a similar bag, and I'll put the price and the picture up now. And I thought this was so perfect for the colder months, the fall and winter. And then some people like to wear black and tans all year round, so this is a good idea. You on a budget. I only paid $20 for this bag at Ross. So beautiful. This is my kind of bag. A top handle, but can snatch a neck because it looked like a designer bag. Okay, so we can party with the girls. Perfect for vacation. Not too small, not too big, just right. I love this bag. Yes, but yes, I paid a little over $20 for this bag. Beautiful. It was love at first sight. So I know a bag like this at Chanel, baby, a easy 4,200 and on up. Okay, so I'm gonna put a similar Chanel bag up right now and the price. So Rainbow, though, however, Rainbow had this purse for $20, and because they had like a coupon code or whatever, I got it cheaper. So I got it for like $17. Perfect. This is another great vacation bag. You know, spring break coming up for some of y'all, so this would be great if you got like a preteen daughter. This would be great. Not too grown, but still chic and trendy. This is the move. I really like it. Oh my god, so pretty. Rainbow, you the plug. Okay, CC fam, you know what time it is. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Hey, yes. This reminded me of a very popular Gucci bag that I saw in person. I had to do some digging because this was like a limited edition bag, but this is the dupe for it right here. Amazing. Do you hear me? I mean, I got shoes from Aldo that can match. Oh my god, I love this. Such Jamaican vibes, right? Oh my god. But yes, this was full price, but still full price for Aldo is not even a quarter of what Gucci won. Okay, so this was $55 full price. It never went on sale, so I had to go ahead and secure the bag, literally, right? But yes, this is such a cute bag, and I don't really like a strap, but because this is such a unique bag, I take it or cut it, whatever. Great little crossbody bag. But yes, this is a great dupe for Gucci, which easily is at least $2,500. Okay, TJ Maxx has this bag for $70, $64.99 plus tax. So this is the best dupe I've seen, and you all know I do my designer dupes, but this is the best one I've seen. So much that I got the red one too. Yes, and I tote the red one every day. This is my everyday bag, so I get good use out of it, and I snatch necks at the mall and stuff. The girls think it's really Givenchy, but honey, you don't have to drop all your coins on your bag. So this was also on sale for $64.99, and I have the brand linked below, because you know at TJ Maxx it's very random. You get a bag and then you don't see it again, so I have the brand linked below. All right, CC fam, I hope you got your whole complete utter entire life, and you know why? That I'm crowned the Dupetress of YouTube. Okay, so always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye.